Hello and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Analysts suggest XRP is set to hit $10 by this time. Well, I'm sure like everyone else, you'll get excited by price, right? That's why we're here for. Obviously, we believe in the technologies and the currencies that we are backing, but we're all here to try and make some profit out of our investment, of course. So I'm definitely here for this kind of thing. I'm very hopeful. This analyst is definitely someone who has credibility. I believe he's called two correct things with regards to XRP in the past. So that definitely gives me a bit of faith when I'm reading this person's analysis and his suggestions. Obviously, that doesn't mean he's going to be right every single time, but it means that he actually has some credibility to him and he's not someone who's just throwing random figures out the air, and that's what counts. So here's hoping he's right first and foremost, but let's get into the article and see what he's saying. XRP is currently caught in a bullish position, but the ultimate value it would attain in the next bull run is contingent on the next direction it takes from this position. As highlighted by crypto analyst eGrag, depending on the route it takes, XRP could either head to $10 or skyrocket to $27 in the next 2 years. That is 2025. According to charts shared by eGrag, if XRP takes the quote blue ascending triangle unquote course, it could surge to $10 in the next 2 years. However, if the asset embarks on the quote white symmetrical triangle unquote trajectory, its surge could result in a price as high as $27 by 2025. eGrag noted that the phenomenon that would confirm XRP's breakout in either direction is the asset closing above the 20-day moving average on the monthly time frame. According to him, if XRP can register multiple closes above the moving average, it would serve as confirmation of a breakout to any of the directions. Historically, each time XRP closed above the 20-day moving average monthly, it has always preceded a breakout. While either path would be considered a bullish outcome in this upcoming breakout, taking the white symmetrical triangle direction could potentially increase XRP's price target by almost 3 times. Notably, the XRP chart highlights some spaces within the blue ascending triangle and the white symmetrical triangle courses. Notably, the XRP chart highlights some spaces within the blue ascending triangle and the white symmetrical triangle courses. eGrag emphasized that it is possible for XRP to move in directions that would fill these spaces before hitting its ultimate target. He noted that this would elongate the time needed to hit the target, but XRP could also take a shorter path and avoid these spaces. Meanwhile, XRP is up 0.53% in the past 24 hours, currently changing hands at 0.4626 cents, as previously reported by the Crypto Basic. Analyst Crypto Bull recently pointed out that the asset has been trading in a range between 0.28 cents and 0.55 cents in a year. Taking either of these directions spelled out by eGrag would signal a breakout from this range. So there you go, guys. $10 or $27 by 2025. Now, look, I know a lot of guys may hear that and think it's kind of upsetting. Yeah, I know some people may be thinking, I want it, I want that kind of price right now. First and foremost, he said by 2025. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be in 2025. It could be sooner. It's saying by that kind of time frame. So it could come by 2024, in the middle of 2024, or 2025. But let's just say this. Even if that is the case and it takes to 2025, look at the kind of price that you're looking at. Okay? Look at what kind of profit that could be for you if you're investing now and getting these kind of prices to get money out in 2025 at $10 or $27. Right? I'll put it to you like this. What else could you invest in right now that would get you that kind of profit reward. Yeah. Now, I'm not saying that in terms of what other cryptos, because that's different. Okay. There might be other cryptos that you could invest in that might get you a higher price point depending on what you invest in. But you're not going to get that kind of money in the stock market. You know, if you invest in gold, for example, you know, while it is a safe investment, it's not something that's really just going to, you know, make you crazy money in a short period of time. It's more of a stable investment, right? So you've got to kind of just understand that you're still in a great position investing in XRP, and that is still a huge amount of profit that you can make right now. Now, in terms of investing in other cryptos, well, that's obviously up for you guys to do your own research on and whatnot. But the thing with me, with XRP, is I feel like XRP is a safe investment. Yeah. I have a lot of confidence in XRP long term. Whereas there could be other cryptos that I could potentially invest in, which I'm not as confident in, and I feel could maybe not do as well. Right. And so that's why XRP is one of my cryptos that I really kind of stick to, because I have faith in it long term. So when certain things happen within the price, I don't really get scared easily because I have a lot of confidence in XRP's future. And so that's what helps me feel confident in my investment. Whereas if I go into some other cryptos, it might be that if something bad happens, because I'm not as confident in their future, I may get shaken out. It may make me a bit more concerned as to whether I want to continue to hold or whether to just sell whatever I have at that time. So I still think this is great news, and I think this is still a lot to be excited for. And just remember what I said, like it says by 2025. So although this is kind of like saying that kind of time frame, it doesn't mean that it couldn't come sooner. That's also possible. So very exciting to hear. But what do you guys think? Are you happy to hear this kind of news? What would you think with this kind of price point? Would this make you happy, or expecting something a little bit more? Would you like it to be a lot sooner? Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'd be interested to hear. Thank you very much for watching this. If you did like it, please remember to drop a comment, like, and subscribe. But until next time, take care.